Hey, how is everyone today? Just a real short video on RV air conditioning air filters. Now I have a Dometic ducted unit, but you may have something like a Coleman ducted or one of the non-ducted units, but we all have one thing in common, and it's these foam filters that come with the RV air conditions. And they do a pretty decent job at getting the large particles of dust out, but not too good on anything else. And while on Amazon one day, a recommended item came up for an RV air conditioned air filter, and I looked into it. It's made by RV Air, and it's a MERV 6 rated filter, and it's got two layers on it. I don't know if the camera can catch it. It's white and then a green layer. Okay, and it claims to be able to take out dust, pollen, tobacco smoke, mold spores. And what's nice about it is when it gets dirty, you just toss it and put in a new one. And they're inexpensive enough to where that's not a big deal. And if you've ever been in the Northeast during pollen season or out west when it's dusty, you will definitely learn to appreciate one of these. I'll leave a link below in the description for Amazon if you want to do some more research. I'll also put it on my website, rvhabit.com. So you can go there, and I'll have links to all the different models and everything like that. But I've been using it for a while. I love it. So if you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon. And while on Amazon one day, Amazon, and it beep bop bada 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 diddle Drove fin fucking doodle daddle daddle deedle dushin RV air conditioning air filter. Oh, that's not right.